Firstly, let's get the sign up process done. All you have to do, you have to simply enter your mobile number, then you have to enter login password. After enter security password and simply enter the attachment code by seeing in the image and click on sign up, so your sign up will be done. So guys, the link of this site is in the description of the video. Click on the link. This type of interface will open and fill all the details for the sign up process and your sign up will be done. So now let's get to the site and I will tell you every bit of details how to make money from the site. So guys, as you can see on the screen, after you do the sign up process, this type of latest announcement page will open, so you can read the details in a really easy way. It's really easy to understand, and as you can see that all the details are there about the site, and also official Telegram group is there. You must join the group because it's really important. After that, legal white paper is there and also the official link is there, so I'll simply close it. So guys, as you can see on the screen that these are the details, you can read it. I will simply close it. So you will get reward of 6000 TRX as a balance for doing the sign up in the app. So it's really a great amount, so don't miss this opportunity to earn 6000 TRX for free. So simply go in the description of the video, click on the link sign up in the app and get 6000 TRX for free. So guys, firstly I will tell you about deposit process, means how to add money in the site. So it's really easy. Simply click on deposit. After I click on transfer to basic and copy the address, and after copying the address, let's get to Trust Wallet app. It's available on Play Store and you can make all your accounts, and yeah, you can do transfer or transactions, all things through this app. So let's click on send, and you have to select tron, and in recipient you have to paste it, and after pasting you have to simply enter the amount, and I will add 150 amount of TRX. So guys, whatever amount you want to add you can add, and after entering all the details I would simply click on continue, and after I simply confirm it, and after confirming just wait for a few seconds to get the process done. So guys, as you can see on the screen, 150 TRX transaction has been done. So now let's get back to the site, and you have to click on recharge completed, and after you click on recharge completed you have to wait for few seconds or minutes to get the amount added in the site. So till then I will tell you about some more functions of the site. So now let's talk about trading part, and as you can see, trading profit is for 24 hours settlement, and cloud mining is working with profit percentage of plus 6.00%. so if you do trade you can make lots of profit. Now let's talk about invest section, and as you can see that there are different types of products are there. Each product has its own different qualities, and yeah, every product has its own different daily rate percentage, different daily cycle days, different all the things are different. So whichever product you like the most, you can simply click on that product and you can participate in investment. And as you can see, this product has its own daily interest rate which is 5%. This product has daily rate of 6%, and yeah, all the products are different to each other. And if you want to recharge, you can recharge, and invest means whatever the histories you have buy the products. So now let's talk about the share part. It's really important for your earning. All you have to do to simply copy the link, and after copy the link you have to share it with your friends. Get more and more people through your referral link and you will be rewarded. So the more people register, the more people sign up through your referral link, your income will increase and it can generate lots of profit to you. And when people will add money, you will get some percentage of profit in that, which is really level 1, level 2, level 3. I will tell you about that. As you can see, team section is there, so you should get more and more people, and as your team will increase, your reward will increase. And